So we're recording live a hailstorm here in Salem, Virginia. I try to find cover. I covered up what I could on the hood of the car, but these things are huge. I mean, this isn't your ordinary hail. Look at the size of that one. That thing is huge. So these hails are definitely screwing up on my car, which is my only asset that I have for my business, Cover Your Assets 2 LLC. We teach people how to communicate better, manage better, and serve better every day using music, video, email, and short code technology. And I'm sure I'll be sending a claim to my insurance company because this is going to screw up my paint job.